US dollar plunges against the Japanese yen in early trading on Friday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The US dollar has fallen against the Japanese yen during the early hours on Friday to break down below the 142 yen level and is now threatening a major uptrend line. Quite frankly, I think the next couple of days will determine what happens with this pair longer term. The US dollar has, of course, been hammered against the Japanese yen and other currencies. And like I said, right now we are looking at a market that is doing everything it can to really start to break down the overall uptrend line. If we continue to drop from here, and looking on the weekly chart, I believe it's below the 140.50-ish area, then we could drop pretty significantly in that environment. And in fact, we could be looking at a move back down to the 131 yen level. A bounce from here, on the other hand, though, could be a beautiful opportunity to get long again. Remember that the Bank of Japan can only raise interest rates so far, and while the Federal Reserve is likely to cut rates, it can only do so much so quickly because of inflation. And in fact, inflationary numbers are starting to be a little hotter than expected again. So that, of course, causes some issues. I do think that we're going to see a lot of volatility, but eventually we'll get a long impulsive candle that will tell us which direction to go. Above 145 yen, I'd be bullish. Below 140 yen, I'd be bearish. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.